Yeah, on my way to Rudy's, man. K-Rock Flow, man. I'm behind the scenes of this shit, bitch. Shout out to my nigga, hit that hoe, man. I hooked up with that nigga earlier at the Stack House, man. You know what it is, man.
You heard it from the man. Zilla, Tum Tum, K-Rock Flow. And let's get to the behind the scenes. I'm Vince G of SwoleNerd Productions.
What's up? It's Doc. We on set, one of the many sets for Where I Stay, Tum Tum, and a lot of people, surprise guests. Where I Stay, man of the hour, over there. We're trying to figure shit out. We got the I-8. Show them the I-8, Vince.
I-8 12 G's. I like this one right here. Zilla, this feel good. As we continue to get these niggas what's on the menu, man. Zilla, man. We on our way to Rudy's, man. We still on this Texas shit. Dallas, Texas to be exact. Forever, ever. K-Rock, what up? I had to stay there for that cover, hustling till the sun up. That dangerous Dallas, Texas nigga, never put your gun up. Got hoof ain't like go yeah-yo, Warren South off in Plano. I was fucking around no grease man, now it's Rocky in my Fago. The jungle, not no Petco, that's how that vet go. 350, that's my set ho, that's how that wreck go.
Hey, what up, man? You know, it's your crazy cousin KB. KB the Anglo, TBG's up. Out here with the homie Zilla, shooting a little flick for you, you know, on their designer lungs and all kind of other good shit, you know what I'm saying? On the way to Rudy's.
You need your credit fixed?
Say, hell nah, I'm trying to get mine fixed. You got the hook up, holla at me. I'm trying to get right.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mary Lee, the Mexican Barbie, and today I am the model for Tum Tum's music video. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, y'all can follow me on Instagram on the official Barbie 18.
If you ain't got this and you from Dallas, you are taking L's. This is Shagberry Lemonade, exoticpop.com. Get a case. Support local legends. You Dixter. Hey. What's up, man? It's your boy Tumzilla, Fat Boy. I'm here shooting video to K-Rock Flow out there on my way to Rudy's LP. You dig? I don't know who this is, rolling up, or none of that. But I'm a crazy nigga.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Shit's going down. I don't fuck with people like that. So, you know. Shout out to my guy Vince from SwoleNerd Productions. You need video, you need audio, you need editing, you need graphics, you need website, you need consultant. Holla at my man. And his website or his link is right down there somewhere. Make sure you put that in. And here we go.
On the way to Rudy's with my wifey counting dough.